Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another episode of Tech Talk. Today I am going to talk about the only thing that Americans hate more than paying shipping, which is paying taxes. So as many of you may or may not know, in October of 2019, the laws that required us to charge sales tax actually changed a little bit. So up until that point, the general rule of thumb was that if you did not have a physical location in the state, then you were not required to charge sales tax. And at the time that this law was created, only about 2% of Americans had access to the internet. So as you can imagine, things have changed drastically since then. And unfortunately, sometimes that means that the laws have to change as well. So in a commonly known lawsuit, South Dakota versus Wayfair, it was actually determined that each state now has the authority about whether or not they want online retailers to collect sales tax. So there are some states where this is not required, states such as New Hampshire, Delaware, Florida, and all of those states we are not required to charge sales tax. There are also some states where once you have reached a certain point, you are then required to charge a flat rate or the rate changes. All of these things vary state by state, so this is something that you probably will have to call in to ask about. Now, this is a law. This is not something that we make money off of. So unfortunately, we don't have any control over whether we do or do not have to charge you sales tax on your purchase. Now, there are certain situations where you may be tax exempt. What we need from you is a copy of a state-issued reseller's certificate. Unfortunately, we cannot use just a tax ID number or a tax exempt form. We do need a physical copy of the state-issued reseller certificate in order for you to be exempt from having to pay tax. If you have any questions about this process or the rates in your area, again, taxes are going to be based on your shipping address. So we would be happy to run that rate for you. Give us a call at 888-842-0023. Thank you.